Get yourself out of this stuff. Have you ever tried to go to treatment or anything?
No, I ain't welcome to sign my life away now. That's a fucking death sentence.
You don't want to go to treatment?
911, where is your emergency?
Corner of Glenwood and Campbell.
What's the emergency?
Saw someone, a young lady, I don't know if she's ODing or what, but she's passed out, like laying right off the side of the road.
She black, white, Hispanic?
I think white, and you can get a really good look at her, except to see that she was clearly breathing. But
Okay. Did you see what color shirt she had on?
White with some designs on it.
Pants?
What's that?
Do you know what color pants she had on?
She had shorts.
Okay, and she was laying?
What's that?
She was laying on the ground?
Yeah, she was out cold. Like, no movement except for like her chest going up and down. So I'm pretty sure once they show up, she'll be the only one laying there.
Your name?
It's Ed.
All right, we'll get police medics out to check it out.
Thank you.
How you doing today, hon? I'm good. What have you been up to today? Not much?
I'm headed over to take a shower.
Where are you heading to take a shower? Stay on the road. I just didn't want you to walk out on the road. Were you sitting down a minute ago somewhere? Catching some rest?
They thought I was right there at the corner, but I wasn't.
Oh, okay. Did the medics come by and talk to you?
Yeah, they did show up.
Okay, yeah, because that's what someone called. I was making sure they're calling about you.
The guy that's up there.
Yeah.
The guy that's up there. Okay, that made a lot of sense. The guy up there. The man that lives up on Chamber.
Sure. Did he call on you?
I have no idea, but no, I would say not. But maybe the guy, I told you the guy over top of the duplex. It's a duplex.
Okay.
But anyhow, now believe it or not, there was a chick that came down, walking down this way.
Okay.
Come on the other side, the opposite side.
What was she wearing, you know?
I don't know, but she had literally had the bulb, yeah.
Okay.
And literally she had blood.
Really? She got beat that bad?
Yeah, mud, mixed up and shit. And I asked her if she needed the help.
Uh-huh.
And it's the fact that she got rid of blood.
Okay.
Blood was coming from, but I do believe blood was coming from.
Okay.
Her backside,
I can go down that way and check on her. Do you need anything? Are you sure you're going to be all right out here? Because you're a little tipsy.
Just like, I need some sleep.
How long you been up?
I've been up for days, non-stop days. I just have no idea what I mean.
What have you been using?
Man, ice, methadone, nothing.
Nothing? No ice?
Nothing. Ice.
Yeah.
Amphetamines, whatever you call it.
How often do you use that stuff?
I try not to.
Try not to.
Anyhow.
Is that what you usually like to use, or did you just get it because you couldn't get anything else?
I've done it before, literally, just to stay up here lately.
Why are you doing it to stay up? Why don't you want to sleep?
Sit down.
Yeah, go ahead and sit down.
I do believe that. I do believe that at times people do actually seriously.
But why would you want to take something that wouldn't let you sleep?
But that's a fact.
Okay. Why do you do that to yourself? All right. Where do you normally stay? Where do you normally kick it?
I wish I were homeless.
Yeah, I know you're homeless, but you stay somewhere normally, right?
Yeah, but see, when at times I really want to stay away from sleep.
Yeah.
No, master used to.
You from out here on the west side, or did you move down here and can't get away?
Well, no, I live in Kentucky.
In Kentucky?
I wish I could go back to something like that. Not that I can't go back.
Yeah. Well, you got to find a way to get yourself out of this stuff. Have you ever tried to go to treatment or anything?
No, I ain't about to just sign my life away now. That's a fucking death sentence.
You don't want to go to treatment? So that you don't have to use these drugs and stuff on the street.
I ain't gonna use it now.
Okay. I know. Do you like kind of your life out here?
I love it.
You love it?
Cars. Good 2 out of 10.
I think you're being facetious.
No.
No, not at all.
Something like that.
Okay.
But, with that being said, man, tell that motherfucker to leave me alone down in Kentucky. Not leave him alone, tell him I'm down with him. Tell him that I think he's a real true fucking asshole for real. A faggot ass.
This guy down in Kentucky is
Yeah.
screwing with you?
He's dick, he says dick.
How does he screw with you from Kentucky?
Because he said I'm literally sucking off right now, telling you about that. Facetious this and facetious that. Facetious what you wish.
I'm the one that said facetious.
And I'm gonna follow it up the way that I see facetious to me.
Okay.
Okay, and I think you're gonna fucking shoot.
Well,
You got a bit of sense.
Would you like me to take you anywhere today?
No, it's not a trick. I'm on the world.
You said you're on your way to get a shower. Where do you normally do that at?
My grandma.
What's that?
My grandma.
Oh, your grandma lives around here? Okay. So you're going to be all right?
Yeah.
All right, honey. You take care.